In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in Hostinger. If you want to clean up your billing settings, remove an old card, or simply make sure your account only shows the payment methods you currently use, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. When the menu appears, look for the billing option and select it. This will take you to the billing area of your account, where you can manage payment-related settings and review the methods connected to your profile. After you enter the billing section, find and click on Payment Methods. This is the area where Hostinger displays the saved payment options currently linked to your account. Depending on your setup, you may see one or several methods listed here. Now look through the list and find the payment method you want to remove. Once you've found the correct one, click the arrow next to that payment method to expand its options. This will reveal the available action for that saved method. From there, click Remove. After you do that, Hostinger will remove that payment method from your account. And that's it. The payment method is no longer saved in your billing settings. As a quick tip, before removing a payment method, it's a good idea to make sure it isn't the one you still need for any active services or future renewals. That way you can avoid possible payment issues later on. If you use more than one payment option, double-check that you're removing the correct one before confirming. Also, if you don't see the remove option right away, make sure you expanded the payment method details by clicking the arrow first, since that's where the action appears. So once again, the path is simple. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, go to Billing, open Payment Methods, expand the method you want to delete, and click Remove. That's all you need to do to remove a payment method in Hostinger.